As Zimbabwe prepares to host Southern African Development Community SADC Summit, a recent surge in COVID-19 cases among pilgrims returning from the Hajj pilgrimage in Mecca has raised alarms. Achipere mushe muri Zimbabwe vanhu voti SADC Summit inogona kukanselewa nekuda kwema-threats ari kuitwa nekuda kwema-cases ari kuwanikwa e-COVID-19. Sapita mashoko amadaiwa nyogwa paZim ai tobva subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Vanyora vachiti the letter addressed to Dr. Maunganidze of the Ministry of Health and Child Care outlines the World Health Organization's concern and recommendations for mitigating the spread for the virus. With the SADC Summit set to bring heads of state and high-profile delegates from across Southern Africa to Harare, the timing of this health advisory is added an urgent dimension to the country's preparations. According to the WHO, countries with the returning pilgrims face a significant risk of a surge in the new COVID-19 infections. The organization has advised heightened surveillance and readiness measures to combat the potential spread. The SADC Summit is scheduled for August. We will see President Emerson Mnangagwa taking over the leadership of the Solidarity Bloc. Achipere musha muri Zimbabwe ndomashwara buda nyogwa mzimu aizvinzi aiwa World Health Organization yatopa aiwa ma-alerts achiti aiwa madelegates achayamnyika eZimbabwe pane ma-threats kana kuti high risk yekuti paite transmission ye the COVID-19 virus inoda kuti macases ari kurekodhiwa ava kuwanda. Tudze mafungiro enyu nekuti panapa muzimu evantu vataura chiti aiwa zvimwe SADC Summit inogona kuti kukanselewa kana kuita sei, asi ndo issue yaridzwa neWorld Health Organization. Tudze mafungiro enyu pinango me section medu musangano subscribe kulike pachoto tina on the bell icon.